Hi everybody, this is Terry and Melanie from Home to Roam, and after the first of the year, 2019, we're going to be changing everything to Melanie's World. And the reason for that is because I've been torn in so many directions with our online stores, our RVing blogs, all of our travels, and I just can't keep up with it all. So now all of our RV tips, our trips and information, store sales, new items, etc., everything's going to be under Melanie's World, and that information is down below, so if you want to follow us, we would love that. And today what we're going to do is go through some tips and tricks and budget-friendly decor designing items for your RV. I did a walkthrough on our last video, or actually I'll attach that one to this one, so that you can see what the RV looked when we got it brand new. It was kind of dark and not very homey, and we wanted to do something to punch it up for us. So I asked Terry what he would like, and he said he likes the color teal. And I love the color teal, and I think of the beach when I hear the color teal. So it's our new beach home is what it turned out to. And I actually went kind of crazy with wall decals and appliques. But we love it. Terry, do you love it?
I love it.
Terry loves it. So we're happy to be there. So let me show you what I did, and hopefully it'll help you come up with some good ideas. So the first thing my wonderful husband did is, when we had a home, we had one of those wicker stair baskets on our stairs, and I loved it because I could put things in it and then carry them upstairs. Well, I tried buying one for the to use in the RV, but it just didn't fit right. So Terry made me this one, and it's out of the way. We don't even know it's there. It's great for holding Nikki's leash and hand wipes for after fueling the RV, all kinds of goodies that we use constantly from the doorway. So that was my favorite fix that Terry did. Now, the first thing that we did as far as our decor goes, excuse me, Nikki, Mama's coming in. We changed them all out with these beautiful little knobs that we found on Etsy. And so that was almost 50 different knobs that we changed out, but I really love the look out of them. And then we got really lucky, and we were at a marine yard sale and found this wonderful canvas wall art that actually has a switch on the side and it lights up. So it fit perfectly in the cabinet here, and that just tickled me pink. So I started looking for more wall hangings, wall decorations, wall art, canvas wall art type stuff, and wound up using quite a lot. So Terry, if you want to turn around a minute, you can show them what I put up on the other side, which is my little lighthouse, and that's a picture that we took on our travels. So it's something that we can look at and kind of remember where we've been, what we've been doing. And then, again, I said it, the decals, so we get started up here, they're going to be everywhere. And then I just threw a couple of beach towels on the front chairs for when people come visit. Gives it that beachy kind of look. And if you look at the other one here, I have a pillow on it, throw pillows. Well, one of the things that you can do is put your own designs on your pillowcases. So throughout the year, if you want to dress it up for all the different holidays, you can just take off the pillowcase and put on a different one. And so I matched up some pillowcases because I also can put designs on sheets and pillowcases and kitchen towels and all kinds of things. We have over 100 different items. But one of the things I was trying to do was do a beach scene down here, and I couldn't get the design right, but I'm still working on that. So maybe I'll do a follow-up video when that comes out. And then again, the canvas wall art, I do that, and it's usually sent to you on a frame. And I asked them not to send the, asked my printer not to send the frame, just the canvas, so that I could put it flat against the walls. I actually have some switches back there I need to get to. And here, I just used some spray adhesive and sprayed it to the craft cardboard to give it a little more strength. And it makes it fit right on there. It looked like a picture that's supposed to be in that frame. I think they came out pretty well. Pretty happy with those. And again, more decals as you look around. Now the other thing, Terry and I did not know how to take apart the valances, put them back together. We're not really sure about that. So I bought these curtains, but I just folded them and pinned them up on the valances for now. And we've had them up there for several months, and they've worked out quite well, and I'm really happy with them. The other thing I found was some stuff called instant water or clear water, I don't know what it is, on Amazon. but you pour the two bottles together and you get what looks like water. So I have something that can fall and not spill and looks like a nice little vase. I also found these chair covers because we want the chairs to stay matching. The balances, the chairs all have a brown design on them that didn't go well. So I've been covering all that up. But I took these chair covers and dyed them teal so that they would help fit in. And then we also do custom table mats. And so I've got a couple of those there that we did. And then again, here's the pillows that I was talking about. If you wanted to change your pillowcase for different seasons, you can do 4th of July, Christmas, Thanksgiving, all of that. It takes up very little space in your closets and can redo your decor. And again, we have a bunch of the decals all over the walls. This down here was an idea that I got from Keep Your Daydream. It was very cute. Found this little picnic basket holder on Amazon, and I actually painted it teal and glued on the starfish so that it would match. And then we also do the cutting boards, and you cut on the other side, of course, but here again you'll see the dish towels will match the throw pillows over there, so it kind of keeps the design together. And then on these knobs were actually the ones that came with it. I just got some twine, glued them around, wrapped it around, and then covered it with teal paint. And I kind of like the way those came out. Now this is one of the things that I just loved with the canvas art, no frame again, right up against the wall. So now when the slide goes in and out, I don't have to put away the photo, the canvas art. You take it down, put it back up whenever we move. It gets to just stay put. And again, all this stuff is up with my wonderful 3M tapes and stickies, so I don't have to worry about them damaging the wall. And I made these so that they would fit on our little pantry door here. So I made the frames with some pictures there. Again, some more decals on the refrigerator over here. Kind of got decals all over the place. Like I said, I did go crazy with the decals. Oh, speaking of decals, this is my favorite one. I love to party like a pirate. Don't get to see that one very often. Then I also found some decals that were words. Live, love, laugh, believe, dream. And so I just put those up there. I thought that came out kind of cute. Like that. And then on the other side over here on the window, I found a shawl that kind of matched the colors I was looking for. And I just pinned it up to the valance as well. And then I love using these little pocket wall organizers for all kinds of little stuff. It gives you a little extra space to put things in. Now, I want you to know we do not live like this. I admire those people who live in RVs that look like model homes and everything's in its place. I will do another video that shows you what it looks like when we actually live in it. It's nowhere close to this. This will be the last time I see this, so that's why I wanted to video it. So, unfortunately, when I found this wall or glass decal, I fell in love with it, but it wasn't wide enough for the shower doors, you can see. So then I found these cute little decals of flowers that you can just peel on and off. And I think that turned out kind of cute. And once again, more decals on the wood. And then I got crazy and put it on the mirror too. Now as you go through and just do a quick walkthrough back, look at all the wood here and you'll see how before all this was just all this solid wood.
Scared myself.
And now we've got it kind of covered up. It's homey. I think it's a lot more livable for us, I think, than it was before. Terry, do you agree?
Yes.
Nice short. So let's just get a full effect, if we can, of what it looks like overall now. And that's from front to back. There is a lot of teal in this place. I don't know if you noticed or not, but we also put in some LED lights up in the, okay, let me back up and see if I can show this to you. In the decoration on the ceiling. There you go. And we can change those to any color we want, but of course we love teal, so that's what we've got going on right now. Here's the front. Should have put the TV away, but just more cabinets behind there. Okay, then back to the bedroom. And the live, love, laugh. And back behind the pillows, the believe and dream. Yeah, it's hard to see anything with all the mirrors in here. And see if we can get that shower door. See how that glistens? I love that. That is so pretty. Okay. And that is it. Thank you for watching.